Let's go there! Ouch! Clementina! Where are you? Here! Oh! Woohoo! It's a zombie! Save yourselves! Where am I? I love pools! A water park? Clementina! I'm coming to you! I'm hungry! You're funny! Want to go on a slide together? Okay. Clemmy! Where are you? Clemmy? Tin? I was just seeing things. Clemmy! Where is she? It's useless. I hear her laughing. Clementina! Hi, Tin. There you are. Clementina! That was refreshing. Let's swim. That's a great spot for a trap. Hi. I'll do that. I just have to disguise myself. No one sees Clementina, and the pile of swim rings is still growing. Oh, I'm stuck. Tin and Clementina are fighting to see who can stay underwater longer. Time to cool off. That's a simple dimple. Hey! Tin, you won! Bradley, let's go on a slide. Sure, if you want. Whoa! Look at that line! What are you talking about? Zombie! Clementina! I was really worried. Tin, this is Bradley. He's my new friend. A new friend, huh? Who's Tin? Guys, don't fight. Shake each other's limbs. The highest slide. Run! Oh no! I'm not going down. Don't be scared. It's gonna be fun. You'll see. Here you are. You'll be my eyes. And I'll wait over here. Fine. Watch closely. Do you like it? No! Clemmy, this is for you. Ice cream, thanks. I want more. What? You have a great appetite. This one is also good. Thanks. More. When did you do that? Okay. Here. So that's what's wrong. You're just dropping it. I want more. Sorry, but I don't have any money left. A tiny little bit of ice cream. This pool is too deep. I'm scared. Swim out of here. Help! I'm drowning! Give me your hand! Why did you yell? Did you give him a hand? Nice job! Watch out! A shark! Clementina? That was easy. Here's a trophy as a souvenir. A real shark tooth. Did you see me fight? I always believed in you. Let's swim. An elevator. I wonder where it goes. I'm going on the highest slide. Hi, Clemmy. 10. I'll let you out. No, the other button. Oh, zombies are colorblind. Where am I? What is this place? It's a desert island. And a skeleton.
No!
I wonder if the watch still works. It's been 1 minute. Time really goes by slowly here. Good thing I have you, Bonesy. A ball. I'll draw eyes. A mouth. She's just like Clementina. And the hair is the same. I miss her. What's that weird noise? Almost there. 10. Clementina, you found me. I am so happy. Come here, fish. No luck. The fish are too smart. I need different bait. Clementina! Go catch a fish. You're gonna nail it. Whoa! Great catch! I always believed in you! Clemmy, where are you? How about some marshmallows? Whoa! Bye, fish! This catch is much more delicious! We'll never get out of here! We're stuck here forever! Tin is the most optimistic person on this island! Tin, look what I found! A puppet! Is that going to help us? Whoa! It floats! I have an idea! Tin, what are you up to? Done! Let's go! Go, Tin! Swim! Clemmy! What? Clementina? How come? Tin! We've been looking for you! What are you doing here? Let's go! The water park entrance is over there! Clementina is looking for Tin all over the water park. Have you seen... Tin! Where are you? Clementina! Where did you go? An amusement park? Oh no! I'm coming! Did you like our video? Then comment below if you'd like to see a zombie at a water park. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.